Thank you very much. Good day, dear distinguished members and well-meaning leaders of our great party. I speak on the authority and on behalf of the leadership of over 400,000 members of the PDP Young Generation Caucus, PDP YGC, across the country and diaspora. It is imperative that we call on all organs that constitute the National Executive Committee of our great party, from the Governors Forum to the National Assembly Caucus, to the Board of Trustees, to the National Ex-Officials, to the Deputy National Officers, and the State Party Chairman, and all other respected critical stakeholders, such as the former President Goodluck Jonathan, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, former Vice President Architect Nnamdi Kanu, former Senate President David Mark, former Senate President Bukola Saraki, former Speaker of the House of Representatives Governor Aminu Waziri Tambuwa, and most importantly, the National Working Committee of our great party. That the statutory NEC National Executive Meeting, earlier rescheduled for 24th October 2024, must hold. It is critical that it holds. You will recall that this meeting has been shifted twice by the NWC of the party. The concern of our great party is clear and unambiguous on the succession process. Every responsible party members must be counted in the struggle to rescue the PDP from the claws of individuals that are bent on destroying it. The utmost need to keep engaging and reset the order of our great party, while very desirable, is also feasible, regardless of the decision that may be taken by the NEC. We cannot continue to act like the APC that couldn't hold its NEC meeting, even with the president as their leader. PDP is much more of a serious party than that. We must never lower the bar. Therefore, we owe it a duty to play by our own rules and showing deep respect for our party's constitution. The PDP YGC is aware of the clandestine moves by one of the PDP governors from the southwest to see that the NEC meeting scheduled for 24 October is again shifted. This is most unpatriotic and disrespect to our party constitution. It is most ridiculous for somebody that the party has raised to the level he is today. Let it be clear that we at PDP YGC can no longer afford to hold our arms and watch our party continue to degenerate into an embarrassing, suicidal, and abysmal level. Any attempt to shift the date again will amount to testing the resolve of millions of party members, but will be most unfortunate. The PDP YGC commends the Governors Forum under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Bala Mohammed, and most especially those governors that joined him in standing strong for the party. Be rest assured that we are solidly behind you. We therefore call on all our responsible leaders and every active organs of the party, and most importantly, faithful party members, to intensify efforts to ensuring that the meeting holds unfailingly. The younger generation of the PDP must realize that this is about our future and the future of the incoming generation. So we must rise up to the task and be alive to our responsibility. This is not the time for complacency or time to sit idly and watch our party thrown into the abyss. This is time for action. Our story has always been PDP versus PDP. It's high time we put an end to it. Thank you. My name is Fabiola Dimeji, a bona fide member of the People's Democratic Party and a proud member of PDP YGC. God bless you.